Today is Friday, May 3rd. The time is 9:28 a.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2012 Panini Playbook football break, break number 2. Good luck, everybody. Serial number 21 out of 140, Marvin Jones, rookie autograph, Bengals. Serial number 81 out of 140 for the Chargers, Melvin Ingram, rookie autograph. Serial number 75 out of 99 for the Miami Dolphins, multi-jersey autograph, Lamar Miller. In the last pack, is trophy winners, authentic material. That will go to the Rams as they're listed first. We have Sam Bradford, Tim Tebow, Carson Palmer, Doug Flutie, Eddie George, Barry Sanders, and Marcus Allen. That's serial number 22 out of 99. Once again, that goes to the Rams. Thank you, everybody, for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending today for football, I have 2012 Topps Turkey Red. Also listed for football box breaks, 2012 Topps Valor, and 2012 Panini Prime Signatures. For baseball box breaks, I have 2011 Panini Limited.